Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome if you're new. My name is Jessica and today I'm doing another haul for you. Alright, so the first thing I got was the shampoo and conditioner that I'm very eager to try. The Elastine Propolithera Rejuvenating Damage Repair Shampoo. Is this the shampoo? This is the conditioner. It does come with the dispenser like this. So that I can take this off. It smells like, it has like a honey scent to it. But I can put this on there and then you can do. So excited to try this. It has very rave reviews. So like that. This is actually a bigger bottle than I thought it would be too. So there's that. And then I also have shampoo. Shampoo also comes with the dispenser like that I'll have to put on there later. Oh, it smells so good. I thought I wouldn't like the smell because I was thinking it smelled like honey. Maybe it does smell like honey, but it smells good to me. So I'll have to try that and I'll let y'all know how I feel about that and how it does with my hair. So there's that. So the shampoo and conditioner that I got the set of those. The next thing I got was a couple more ANEW products. I got the ANEW Power Serum and I got the ANEW Platinum Eye and Lip Cream. That's something else I was wanting to try with some eye cream. All this ANEW stuff I'm getting. Oh, it's so small. I got the ANEW eye cream. The new eye and lip cream, and it also comes with the little scooper. I guess that's what that is. Look at this. Oh, it's looks like this. I'm sure it doesn't take very much. It is a little thing, but I'm sure it doesn't take very much. So there's that. The next thing is, of course, the ANEW Power Serum. I've seen rave reviews about this too. If I can get into it. Alright, the ANEW, let's see. Oh, they have such pretty packaging. Very pretty. Maximizes visible anti-aging benefits. Results appear immediately with superior improvement on the look of your specific aging signs over time. So yeah, got that. The next thing I got was a couple of, oh, I did get this, the FMG Cashmere 24-hour concealer because I was getting out of my other one. Like I said, I needed to get a new one. I've got that. Oh, that should work for me. Of course, I'm very light, so I've got a light concealer. I'm going to try this so that I can tell you how I feel about that next time. So there's that. The other makeup thing I got, which I'm about to put on for you right now. I didn't put lipstick on because I wanted to try this, and I'm very excited about it. These have just come out in this new campaign. This is the FMG Love lip butters. I got the shade I got was Rendezvous. So let's see if I can do this. The thing about these, so this is what the packaging looks like. So you have this bottoms part right here. You push that to push up. It is non-retractable, so you only push up to what you need. Okay, so I have just a little bit pushed up right there. Let's see, I've got my mirror here. I'm gonna try this for you. Oh. my goodness. That feels so buttery on my lips. Ooh, I love that. That is awesome. So I have just fallen in love with that. It also has a really cool, good scent to it too. But this is Rendezvous. They do have, I think it's 6 or 7 different shades. But there's that. So, testing the lip butter. I like the lip butter. The next thing I got was this came with the set that I got. I got the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Something else I wanted to try with Avon is some of their cleansers to see which one I like. So we'll test. This is the first rice product I've gotten. So we'll try that and see how it works. The last thing that I got was some nail polish because you guys know that I always have my nails painted. So I did get one of their nail polishes so that I could try out one of their nail polishes. I used to get theirs and I haven't got one in a long time. And I was needing a darker color, if I can get it out. So I do have, oh, that is so pretty. I've been wanting a dark, like cherry red color. Oh, and that's so pretty. That will be the color that my nails are next time I paint them. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so just to recap, I did get the shampoo and conditioner, the Elastine Propolithera Rejuvenating Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm going to try this out. Cannot wait. Next time I wash my hair, which will be tonight, I'll be trying this. The next thing I got was I got the ANEW eye and lip cream. Also excited to try this. Also the ANEW Power Serum. I've heard this is very popular. Seen a lot of reviews about that. The makeup I got was the Cashmere concealer. Gonna try this. The lip butter. Love the lip butter. That's my favorite thing in this whole thing until I try the shampoo and conditioner. I bet I love that too. And also the nail polish. Where did she go? Did I lose her already? No. Nail polish, of course. And then the last thing was the foaming cleanser. I didn't know it said foaming. Foaming cleanser that I will try tonight, and I will let you know how that goes. That's it for now. I will leave a link to my shop and the brochure down in the description box. I will also leave a link to any of the products that I talked about. But until next time, bye guys.